Hello, my name is Kenzo, and in this video, you will acquire English naturally by watching, listening, and following along as I play Minecraft Hardcore. In the last video, I went to the Nether and I found this dried ghast. And in this video, I'm going to grow this dried ghast into a happy ghast. So far, in this series, we've survived 42 days. I'm going to sleep. It's morning. Let's get a bucket up here. Here's a bucket. I'm going to fill this bucket with water. Let's go outside. Uh-oh, a creeper. I'm going to kill it. Die. Die. Okay, let's fill the bucket with water. And I'm going to pick up some flowers. Here's a yellow flower, and here are some red flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll pick up 4 red flowers. Now I'm going to dig this dirt block. There we go. And I'll pour the water right here. Now I'll take the dried ghast and I'll place it in the water. There we go. I'll take the flowers and I'll place flowers around the ghast. And some red flowers. There we go. Now we need to wait. While we're waiting for this ghast to grow, let's get some snowballs. We're going to need some snowballs. Do we have snowballs? No. I don't think we have snowballs. Well, let's get some iron. And let's build an iron shovel. There we go. Let's get our cooked pork chop. We have a ton of cooked pork chop. We have 32 cooked pork chop now. Let's go explore. I'm going to look for some snow so I can get some snowballs. I have my compass so I can find my way back home. So let's go explore. Let's go this way. Any snow? Let's get our spyglass. Any snow? No. I don't see any snow. Some horses. Some black horses. Let's build a boat. Let's see. First I'll make a crafting table. Now I'll place the crafting table. And let's make a boat. There we go. I built a bamboo raft. Break the crafting table. Alright. Oh, the sun's going down. I'm going to place the boat. And let's get in the boat. And let's sail. And let's continue looking for snow. The sun's going down. It's sunset. It's beautiful. Is that snow? Yeah, I think that is snow. Let's go over there. Oh, and look. Oops. Look. There are cherry grove trees over there. They're pink. Let's go to that mountaintop. Let's get out of the boat. Jump. Let's break the boat. Oh, a creeper. Die, creeper. Die. I killed the creeper. There are lots of flowers here. I'm going to collect some of these flowers. There's an orange flower and a red flower. White flowers. Here are some pink flowers. Over here, there are some large pink flowers. Small pink flower. Big pink flower. Ooh, here are some blue flowers. Let's collect some blue flowers. Whoa! Let's get our spyglass. Look at all of those sunflowers. Those are sunflowers. There's a ton of sunflowers over there. Okay, let's continue towards the mountaintop. Oh, a zombie. Let's swim this way. Let's pick up some of these flowers. Oh, and over here, there are red flowers. Uh-oh. A zombie. Die. Die. I killed the zombie. I'm getting close. We're almost there. Oh, there are zombies coming for me. Die, zombie. Die. Die. That zombie was holding a shovel. I'm going to chop down one of these cherry grove trees so I can collect the pink wood. Wow, I picked up so many flowers. Let's throw away some seeds. Oh no, die. I blocked it with my shield. Any saplings? Uh-oh, skeleton. Zombie. Oh no. Oh no. Die. I need to eat. Let's eat some bread. There are some saplings. I'm going to throw away some gunpowder. And I picked up some cherry saplings so I can grow more cherry grove trees. And here's the snow. I'm going to get my shovel and I'm going to dig up this snow. Look, snowballs. I picked up a bunch of snowballs. Now let's go back home and maybe the dried ghast has grown. Let's go back home. Let's get my compass and we're home. Let's go check on the dried ghast. Okay, the dried ghast is still there. We need to wait a little bit longer. I'm going to plant these cherry saplings. I have 6 cherry saplings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These will grow into cherry trees. And for our happy ghast, we're going to need one of these harnesses. I want to make this yellow harness, so I'll need some yellow wool. I'll use one of these sunflowers to make some yellow dye. Some yellow dye. There we go. Now I need some wool. Do I have shears? No, I don't have any shears. Let's build some shears using 2 iron. 1, 2. 1, 2. Some shears. Now we have to go find a sheep. There's a sheep. The sheep love wheat. So this sheep is following me. See? He's following me. Come on. Almost home. Come on, sheep. We're back home. I'm going to dig a hole right here with my shovel. Okay, come on, sheep. Come on. Now I'm going to push. Oops. I'm going to push this sheep in the hole. Push, push, push. I'll take my yellow dye. Watch this. I used my yellow dye to turn the sheep yellow. And now I can use my shears on the sheep, like this. And there's some yellow wool. We got our yellow wool. Now we need some glass and some leather to make the harness. We need 2 glass, 1, 2, and 3 leather. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now let's build the harness. Here it is. There we go. We crafted a yellow harness. Let's use our seeds and breed more chickens. I want a lot of chickens. There we go. Another baby chicken. Now we have 2 baby chickens. Still waiting for this dried ghast to grow. Ooh, there's another sheep. Do I have my wheat? Yes. Follow me. This sheep is brown. Come on, sheep. Over here. And I'm going to push this sheep in the hole as well. Push, push, push. The sheep fell in the hole. I'll turn this brown sheep yellow using this yellow dye. There we go. And let's breed these sheep using wheat. There we go. And we have a baby sheep, a baby yellow sheep. While we wait for the dried ghast, let's go check on our potato farm. Our potato farm. It looks like these potatoes are ready. Let's collect these potatoes and these ones as well. Any more potatoes? I think these potatoes are ready to be harvested. These potatoes are taking a long time to grow. I wonder if these potatoes are too far away from my house. These potatoes might be too far away. Oh, another zombie. Whoa. 3 zombies? Let's go inside. Let's close the door and let's sleep. I'm sleeping. Oh, it started to rain. It's raining. Oh no! The chickens are getting away. Look! The ghast has grown. But wait, come on, chickens. Come on, chickens. Come on. I left the door open. Come on. And let's close the door. Our ghast has grown. Now we have to get the snowballs. Let's take some snowballs. Where's the ghast? Oh, there it is. Now let's give these snowballs to the ghast. Oh, there we go. Now the ghast has grown. Now let's put on the harness. Now the ghast is wearing the yellow harness. Let's get on the ghast. Come on. There we go. I'm flying. I'm flying on the ghast. And watch this. I can stand. Now I'm standing on the ghast. Jump, jump. And I am going to end this video right here. If you are enjoying these videos, you could make a donation on my Ko-Fi page by clicking up here. Like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.